there was always a giving of femininity to art forms. One said that it isn't just the masculine mind, but it's the feminine soul. The Greek word anima means a feminine soul. Sophia is a feminine wisdom. In every language, the high wisdom form is feminine. But in almost all of the developments in civilizations, science is always identified as a masculine idea. And the fact is that symbolic mind is a masculine form. And ideas that it has are masculine forms. But when you make the deep transform into consciousness, consciousness is a masculine process, but it delivers in emergence feminine forms, just like feminine processes of nature and culture deliver masculine forms of ritual and symbol. The doubling up happens in that usually there's an alternation between feminine and masculine, between process and form, except that when the mind opens to vision, you have a double masculine. You have a masculine form and a masculine process, which is unheard of, and that's why the interface between them is exactly zero. It's sometimes called in classical Hellenistic thought the rest. Jesus in many of the esoteric early, before the church began to work doctrines out of things, the phrase was, enter my rest. And when you do, you will be able to be in me and I will be able to be in you. And what it is an interchange of forms in a feminine way. You'll be not born again, but rebirthed. And I will be rebirthed too, because it's a mutuality of exchange, of interchange. And only a feminine form can have that fertility, that birthing. But in science, because it is a feminine form, it means that the process that comes out of the cosmos will be a feminine process, and that's where nature comes. That science and nature are both feminine. One is a feminine form, the other is a feminine process. So in a way, Mother Nature is a convenient way to talk about Mother Nature, who is the mother, being like a cosmic mother, the great mother. But the mothering, nature is not a mother so much, but a mothering. And what she mothers is the emergence of all things. And the earliest Paleolithic way in which this was presented is a very large, corpulent, nude woman. First time we see this sculpture is about 30,000 years ago. And she is holding what would be like a crescent moon, only instead of being a crescent moon, it is like a conch shell spiral, and it is full of all the different fruits and vegetables, all the fertility of the earth. So at the crescent moon, the moon, and the cornucopia are there because this is the cosmos as a mother doing the mothering of nurture for all existential things, giving the nurture for it. So that nature as a process nurtures, and what it nurtures is emergence into existentiality.